There was a time when I wasn't making more than $25,000 a year. I was driving a broken down car. I was $23,000 in debt. I was out of shape, unhealthy. I mean, I was the epitome of, in my eyes, I felt like a loser. And the thing is, when you succeed, there's gonna be people who congratulate you, but most people that you think are your friends, even family members, they're not gonna throw a party for you. They're not gonna all of a sudden say, you know, wow, like, you're so amazing, congratulations, you lost all this weight, congratulations, you just purchased your brand new dream car, like, oh my God, you are so amazing. Like, so many people, we think that when we accomplish our goal, the world's gonna throw a party for us. And the thing is, most people, I've learned, and this is just my opinion, most people are focused on themselves. Most people are focused on their lives. Most people, like yourself and myself, we have tons of problems and challenges and things that we're focused on. And when we're younger, and I'm sure a lot of you folks who are a little more aged and, you know, maybe you're in your 40s, 50s, 60s, you realize this, and I've realized this at an early age, that most people aren't focused on you. And when you accomplish your goals, you've got to do it for yourself. You've got to have real reasons that when when you're going for it and when you accomplish it, you're proud, you're fulfilled, because most people aren't going to be as happy for you as you think. And I found this to be true. You know, I just recently got my dream car, and I can't tell you how many friends of mine, they didn't even congratulate me. You know, there are a bunch of people who, you know, are just like so impressed by it and this and that and really happy for me. But I have a lot of friends who, it's almost like they're jealous and they won't congratulate you. And the same thing happened when I lost all the weight and stuff. There's some people, they just don't want to give you that credit because it's a reflection of themselves in terms of what they haven't been able to accomplish. So I know I'm kind of going off at a tangent, but the point I'm trying to make is make sure that your reasons for whatever it is that you want in life are gonna fulfill you. You wanna make sure that the reason why you're doing it isn't just to impress other people. I've made this mistake and I'm not perfect.